So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to enter your phone number. You will be able to receive an SMS to confirm your account. After that, you will then be able to enter information about yourself, such as your name, birth date, and even a referral code if you have any. After that, you can also turn in your location address, and then you will be able to receive your UPI ID. After this step, you could then enter your source of income from where you will be receiving money from. After that part, you will then be able to start or use your FamPay. Now, you can also verify your account by clicking on Get Verified option over here, wherein you will be able to proceed to the Penchaan verification here, where you're just going to follow the different steps over here to get your account verified. So simply enter the needed information for that. And after that, there are also other steps for verification. So simply follow the step-by-step that the app will provide to you. And then you should be able to easily verify your newly created account as well. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.